Alright, get up. We got a gate diesel. Really diesel.
What are getting around this fucking Seriously, fuck you, Fusion. Go kill yourself, you nigger.
We're following this. It's like a $200,000. Fucking stop smoking me out. God damn.
We gotta get to that Supra.
Is that the guy that we seen with the kid falling asleep? Look, he's yelling out the window at him.
That's a GTB. It's a piece of shit. You gotta get that Supra out, dude.
Fucking Fusion, get out the fucking way. Alright, we're gonna get him. We got 2 cars, get him.
I'm getting over. That's crazy shit.
Well, light it up. Oh my god! Diesel! Dude, the diesel! Look at that guy, look at that GTB going. Go.
I can't get over. You see how fast?
Look at this girl's finger, huh?
You scared.
Give it a finger? Yeah.
That diesel.
Fucking missed him.
Oh my god.
He has gauges.
That diesel. Oh.